Hey guys, an update on NuScale Power Corporation. Yeah, crazy drop from 58 to 16. That's now like 4x to go back there. That's insane. But yeah, we were warning already that it could be that this is something like this by itself, diagonal, very ugly. But yeah, once we lost this trend line, we already warned that we'll have to shift to this scenario then, okay? And for this scenario, we have to pull fibs from the all-time low. So yeah, here I'll label it like this to the all-time high. And your strongest fibs sit here. Okay, $10.24, $6.80. I can add the upper ones as well. Like this is the one that we're approaching now. And this by itself, I'm gonna remove this internal labeling. I'll just put it like this. Oh. Like this. Now I'm gonna zoom in here to understand what this is, but I'm trying to figure out. Okay, yeah. Like this. So from this high, we don't have an 886 hit. And then we're way past the 1-to-1 already. We are in like wave 3 territories, okay? Meaning that I have to label this as a 1, 2, 3, and potentially a 4 and a 5 now, okay? Like this. Once we get these 5 waves down, I'm gonna label it as an A wave, then a B wave, and then you wanna get one more move to the downside. I mean, this is still just an idea. We need to see if we get this fifth wave, 4 and 5, and then we need to see how the reaction is gonna be, and only then I can like increase the probabilities. But the 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 scenario is now, in my opinion, getting very unlikely. Yeah, the invalidation is all the way here for that more bullish scenario, okay? So as long as we stay, I'll put it even like this to end it here, and then this is an A, B, and now a very aggressive C in that scenario. But I'll just keep this in mind, and on the chart, as long as you stay above this, or I'll put it like this, then we invalidate earlier, yeah, to be a bit more conservative. As long as you stay above 13.44, the triple 1-2 scenario is valid, but considering how aggressive this corrective move looks, and it looks better than as a 5-wave move, I don't think that this 86 is gonna hold and survive, okay? Might be wrong, but yeah, this is just what I can say and think now. Also, we need to consider this company doesn't sell anything. They don't make any money, so it only makes sense that it's such a volatile stock, okay? There is no foundation behind it. It's just speculation. Yep, they will make like nuclear reactors, small ones. Yep, probably starting 2029, etc. They will be used and sold. okay? But now it doesn't mean shit yet. And you need to understand this company, they also own their stock. So they have had their stock ever since here. What a rally this has been. I think they also take profits, you know. If you look at their balance sheet, I don't know if they show it, but some companies show how much they buy and sell of their own stock. But you can see here for yourself, it's all negative. There is no income, it's just all negative. So if you put all your money in a company like this, yeah, that's not smart. No, I don't think they have it on here. Some show it, some don't. Maybe it's with cash. Oh, here, yep. Yep, look how much they sold last quarter. 463 million they made with just selling stock, okay? And they don't repurchase. So it makes sense that it drops. They're taking insane profits, okay? They took last quarter they took 460 million, okay? So you need to understand this as well. Companies use their stock as well to make money, okay? For example, look at ASML. You can see this for yourself. They have been repurchasing, look. Last 3 quarters they have been repurchasing. Stock has been going up nicely, okay? And now, yeah, maybe we will get one more push, but after that I'm looking for a larger correction. They might then sell again themselves as well, okay? But yeah, you need to understand this is always possible. Same with energy fuels now. I've read like the last few days that chairmen, etc. are selling stocks to take profit. That's how especially smaller companies make money, because they need financing for their company to be able to build and sell it ultimately, okay? So yeah, really first level to watch below us, 15.4 now, because we broke those previous levels we had on the chart, the 0.5 and the 0.618, okay? So I said once we lose that, more alarm bells should go off. And this is what I have on my mind now. Wave 3 here, highest volume as well. No, not the highest sits here. So that's maybe if I zoom out on the daily, we have highest volume. Nope, also here. I mean, that's a guideline, but yeah, I always look at it. Internally, you could say maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, because then we have another 4, 5. It could be 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then maybe this was already an internal 4, 5. Yeah, I don't know. It's the micro. I don't want to focus on that. For this wave 4, I just know we have not started it yet, because look, this wave 2 was a range sideways. I want to see that as well for the wave 4. We've not had any range yet since this move down has happened. Okay, so still I'm expecting this to come. What if we now go and push to the upside? Yep, then the multi 1-2 scenario is still valid, and then I would label this as an ABC, a very aggressive ABC. Okay, still could be, but yeah, we need to be aware of the other scenario as well. For any sign of strength, we want to see 5 waves to the upside, okay, and then a secondary 1, 2 that holds support, and then from there we can take it. Okay, very long video again, sorry, but I think again here as well, it's necessary to talk a bit about the whole thing, and expect still volatility because in December, interest rate decision, US labor market is not doing good, blah blah blah. So yeah, still brace for impact, brace for lots of impacts with this volatility. Okay, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. And important, know your company. Like this one, they don't make any money. Okay, so you can't put everything in this, especially not when you have pushed so much. You have gone from $2 to $50. That's 25x. Okay, you need to correct that. Now risk is lower, yep, than here, yep, but still there is no sign of any strength yet. Okay, thank you for watching and bye bye.